So we went and dipped for 0.46 as we predicted last video that we did here. I told you if we got a closing candle below our line here, below the 50 cent, we're gonna see the 0.45, and that's what we did before we saw the buying pressure again to take us above, as I told you exactly precisely by this by the dollar, guys. So hopefully you saw the video, because always when you have a strategy and you see the warning sign, this is your exit strategy, or you be ready to buy when it dipped, as we show here at this video we did pre-market. So always there's a next opportunity, next move, where's the price will go to CTRM, what we should expect, everything we're gonna discuss in this video. But before, like and subscribe to my channel, and check my Patreon if you want pre-market and precise technical analysis for your favorite stock. And at the same time, there's many more tire you can choose from, and check it in my comment section below. Without further ado, without BS, without editing, straight to the information, let's get right to it. Okay, so what we can see here, guys, this is really important to note. Look with me. The moment I told you this is not looking good, when I saw this, the moment I saw this candle that break kind of our line here, this one, it went to 0.50. I told you if we saw just the zero below the 0.50 we're gonna see the price go at 0.45, and we went to 0.46 exactly. But you see what happened? We got even gapped at my drawing. This is funny because the draw I draw in the last video pre-market, we gapped and this price we don't even see this price, but we open at 0.48. So this is your cue. When we open at 0.48, this is your cue that the price will go to 0.46 even. And this is what we saw. I told you when we go at this level, we're gonna see a buying pressure, and that's why it took us even to 0.47. So now even the pre-market is still at 0.47, and the price now technically officially out of the zone of a breaking point. You see, this is what we did before, because the volumes was picking up. We have the explosion that happened around the 26th of April, as we predicted in the last videos, and we have the explosion to overcome our resistance at 0.55. Then we close below it. So now there's another change in the trend and change in everything, because now we broke twice. First up, then get rejected, then we now is down. So the first time we that's why in the market you have to be flexible, because even if you make a trend or you put your support resistance level, is not fixed, guys. It's always moving. So you have to be flexible to change your to look and hunt for the price value, the next price value. So now the moment we broke this level, we don't hold. This is the most important. When we have explosion, we need to confirm it, and here we didn't confirm it. We got rejected big time, and this massive candle, and we don't close, just 1 hour, boom. This is a big major point of weakness. So what we want to see before, if we hold above here, this is perfect and changing in the trend, I will tell you. But this is the bad thing happened, and the worst thing that it happened, that the price doesn't hold our line here, and we dipped again, as we told you. Now this is again now the turning point or the support level for the Castor Maritime is looking at this level. Let me just take this. and put it here. This is now our new support around this 0.45 or 0.46, and this is really important to hold, guys. Again, if we break this level, because as I can predict from our chart, the volume been dropping down. Even in a big picture, the volume been rejected around the zero. We don't go in the positive, because this massive move that we did when a lot of put options and a lot of sellers short the stock around the 0.57. That's why we see the volume momentum doesn't change. It's have the potential to go over zero, because this is a good sign of surge of buy-in pressure happening. But what happened here, the momentum volume, our momentum indicator never went above the zero, and just we got rejected. Now there's a coil up in our indicator. It might go to below the negative, and this is will set incentive to take the price even lower. So now really important, guys, what we want to see or hold up for this level above the 0.46. As we can we predicted, we saw a bit of buying pressure around this level, and we don't go below it. So by this week or even next week, we don't want to see a price go to 0.45 or around closing here, because this will take us again back to visit our support at 0.42. This is important, guys. We don't want to see this scenario, because even if we go and visit 42, big chance that we're gonna see up below the 40 and 38. This is how it happened. The more selling pressure you see and slowing in momentum and break-in support, this is a snowflake effect, and that take the price even lower. It's the same that happened when the price go up. If the people following break-in resistance and the volume picking up, and this is the opposite, and this will take the price parabolic up. But here this is happening the opposite. Hopefully we hold above this 46 as we predicted. We bounce from it. Hopefully we bounce more, and in order to test again the resistance level now at 0.50, guys. 0.50 again is our resistance level, and the support level is around the 0.46. Is now the price been concise in a small area, so we need to break from those area or hold to consolidate until we have the volume picking up to take us above again, above those level. This is really important for Castor Maritime to change this pattern, because we've been trending like for 2 months down. Last time we did the jump down for the 1st of April, when we got this massive dip below from the 0.70 until the 0.55. So simple as that, guys. Have a strategy. Never feel FOMO when the price goes up. Never buy. Just have what's your strategy? If you bought out of FOMO and you bought at the top, this is give you you can't protect yourself, and you have you can't do risk management in this scenario if you buy at the top, because usually when a stock goes up really high, there is a drawback, and even if you put stop loss, you get out really soon. So the best is to hunt before the price move, like I show you here. Just from the hour triangle, before we have this jump, and we hunted exactly here before we jump. This is good entry, and you get stop loss around the 0.47. This is like a good win to loss ratio, good, so you can visualize what you can lose and what you can gain. Or if you're long holder, you can just buy when the price goes at the high pressure area, as I can show you here what happened at 0 around the 0.46, where we saw a bit of buying pressure and hold up for this level. So this is a technical area when the market maker just test the level, and we just try to hunt with them, not against them. So guys, if you like the video, like, comment, subscribe to my channel. Daily video update with me, Trading Jesus. So to keep you updated and to hunt like the market maker do. So without further ado, hopefully you have a nice day, and until next time, the next update, be patient, and you guessed it, hunt for exact right price value. See you guys.